dude. This is about as close as you're gonna get to one right here. Got it, there it goes.
I see it. I got it. It's coming.
Huh?
It's coming.
Can't talk. Look at it, baby.
I got it.
It's going. You want closer?
Yep.
I don't know if I can get you closer.
Oh, check that out. There it comes. Yes, ma'am. You got power lines down on 412. Are we by Tacoma?
Yeah, Tacoma. Just
by Tacoma,
east of
just
Tacoma,
east of Tacoma,
at the curve, south
at
of
the
Hopeton.
curve.
Look at the
south.
debris.
We got a tornado coming down.
Got the debris cloud on the ground.
Huh?
It's on the ground.
We understand, ma'am. Okay. All right. It's on the ground right now. Yes, ma'am. Storm tracker. Yes, ma'am. We're right behind it. So, okay, thank you. I just wanted to let you know about the power lines because they're laying right on the side of the road.
Arcing.
Where are we from Tacoma?
We are, well, tell her we're 4 miles south of Hopeton.
We're 4 miles south of Hopeton.
The tornado was on the ground at Hopeton.
Yes,
near
ma'am.
Hopeton.
We're on 412, aren't I right, Bobby?
No, 281. We're on 281.
I'm sorry, 281, ma'am. I apologize. Okay, yeah. Yes, 281.
281.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alrighty. You're welcome. I was telling you 412. The hell did you swear?